Okay, hello everyone. Let's start our lesson today to learn how to use numbers and math in Python. We will start with integer numbers. Let's use the function type of 10. It will be integer. So 10 is an integer number and type 10.0, the result is float. So we have integer numbers and float numbers. Okay, we can use functions like int, integer function, to convert a string to an integer like 150 as a string. Using integer function will be converted to 150 as an integer number. We can use large numbers like 2,500,225. Okay, writing a large number without using commas is very hard to read. So in Python we use underscore instead of commas. So here we used underscores, so the result is the same: 2,500,225. Okay, we can't use in Python commas with this large number because the result will not be our integer number, it will be something else called tuple. We will learn about tuples in the next lessons. So we use underscores instead of commas for the large numbers to be easy to read. Using large numbers also with underscores, we can make some operations like dividing by 2. The result will be 1,250,112.5. So there is no problem in using underscores, it's just to read easily our large number. We can use also float large numbers by using underscores, like here, the same large number with .888. So it's not a problem, we just use the underscores for easy reading. We're just using underscores. Let's try the type of this large number with decimals. This is a float number. Okay, so we are using underscores instead of commas to represent the large floating numbers. Let's say I want to write a large number like 21 with 61 zeros to the right. This is a very large number. Imagine we are making some operations or using this large number in some equations. In such a case, this will be very hard to read. And I will have to count every zero. Definitely, there is something else we can do. We can't write this large number this way. It will be very hard to read my expressions or my equations, and my code will be very hard to read. So we use something called exponential notation. Exponential notation here is, for example, this is 21 with 61 zeros, means 10 to the power 61. So we write 21 e 61 means 21 multiplied by 10 to the power 61, or 2.1 multiplied by 10 to the power positive 62. It's the same. So this is a simple representation of my large number. We call it exponential notation, or E notation for short. For example, 1 million. 1 million means 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. So we write it 1e6. So it's 1 million, 1 and 6 zeros. And this representation using E notation, this is a float. So the result with this notation, this exponential notation, will be a float number. It's the same as 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 6, but 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 is an integer number. But using the exponential notation, or E notation for short, will give me a float number. Let's check. So the type of 1e6 is a float, which represent the 1 million point O, and the type of 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 is an integer number. Let's say we have x equal 2,005,225.8 888, so x have this big number. This big number can be represented by 2e6. 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 6, this means 2 million, plus 500,000, 225.888, it will be the same result. Also, we can use 2.500,225 E6 plus 0.888. It will give me the same result. Okay? Another example, 1e4 means 10,000. 1e minus 5 means 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. 1e minus 3, also another example. 1e 2 means 100. 1e minus 2 is also 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. 1e minus 4 is the same, 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. 1e minus 5 again is the same as 0.00001. It's the same as 1 divided by 100,000. It's the same as 1e minus 5. Another big number is 55e 5000 is infinity, an infinite number. 55e minus 5000 is 0, minus 55e 5000 is minus infinity. It's the same as minus 55 multiplied by 10 to the power 5000. It will be a very big number, but with negative sign it will be negative infinity. Okay, we are done for now. We will continue with math functions and numbers methods in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.